Should judges regulate religious conversions in India? The recent remarks by a judge from the Allahabad High Court stating that the majority community would become a minority if religious conversions continue have sparked significant controversy. Such statements are not only inappropriate but also raise serious questions about the impartiality and the constitutional role of the judiciary in a secular democracy like India. Firstly, it is imperative to understand that the judiciary's primary role is to uphold the constitution and ensure justice is delivered without bias. The Indian Constitution guarantees the right to freedom of religion under Article 25, which includes the right to propagate one's religion. By expressing concerns over demographic changes due to religious conversions, the judge appears to be overstepping the judicial mandate and venturing into the realm of demographic engineering, which is not within the judiciary's purview. India is a secular state and the judiciary is expected to uphold this principle. The judge's remarks seem to undermine this foundational aspect by implicitly suggesting that the demographic composition of the country should remain static. This perspective is antithetical to the secular ethos enshrined in the Constitution, which does not favor any particular religion. Such comments can fuel communal tensions and propagate the idea that the state should play a role in preserving religious majorities. The assertion that the majority community is at risk of becoming a minority due to conversions is not only unfounded but also reminiscent of fear-mongering tactics often employed by certain political entities to polarize the society. Historically, India has been a melting pot of various cultures and religions, with conversions being a part of this dynamic interplay. Using the judiciary's platform to propagate such fears is highly inappropriate and can lead to a dangerous precedent where judges might feel emboldened to express personal or ideological bias from the bench. Religious freedom is a fundamental right, and any attempt to curtail this right under the guise of maintaining demographic balance is a direct attack on individual liberties. The judge's comments could be interpreted as a call for state intervention in personal faith matters, which is a gross violation of personal freedom. This stance can also lead to the persecution of minority communities and those choosing to convert, thereby creating an atmosphere of intolerance and discrimination. The judiciary must remain an impartial arbiter of justice, free from the influence of majoritarian or minoritarian bias. Judges are expected to interpret laws based on constitutional principles and not on personal beliefs. The Allahabad High Court judge's remark, however, suggests a departure from this neutrality, potentially eroding public trust in the judiciary's ability to deliver unbiased justice. In conclusion, the remarks made by the Allahabad High Court judge about demographic balance due to religious conversions are highly inappropriate and dangerous. They represent a significant departure from the constitutional mandate of upholding secularism and individual freedoms.